Okay guys, so something big is happening. I'm going to Los Angeles. I'm about to head out in the morning. You guys already know we got the cool looking like ticket inside of passport style. I don't know what this thing is. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Dude, look at how much candy's here, bro. Just for days. Bananas, more candy, fresh produce, Jesus. Oh, cheese, healthy.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Which has a slide that goes out the side of the building. So let's try and do this.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Right there. Guys, there she is. As the building we are heading to right now. Ooh. Can't even see my head at the angle. I have to put this camera to capture the whole thing. It's crazy big. Dude, it's crazy. Okay, so we went to the different side of the building. Dude, look at how big that screen is though. All the way over there. Okay, so we're gonna walk up these stairs and we'll see the sky space thing. Sky space entrance should be right up here. Oh yeah, I think that's it. I think that's it right there. Sky space, yep, that's it. Okay guys, we just got inside. We took my microphone and stuff. It's gonna sound a little bit weird, but what the heck is this place? This is so weird. Yo, this is so weird. Oh, the noises and stuff. Okay, I guess we're gonna walk through here. Whoa, it's this one. Yo, this is so weird. Wait, look. I swipe this. E4. What does that mean?
54.
Please press 54 to begin the experience. Oh. I think we take this one. Sorry. Man, they're so weird. They made me take my microphone and stuff. No, they made all the lights dark.
I know it, but this is like.
It's like they're sabotaging my YouTube videos. Okay, I turned up the ISO so you guys can see. It's like they're sabotaging YouTube videos on purpose. Sabotaging my YouTube video, and then they turn down the lights so that I can't record. Like, they're doing it on purpose. They know people like me, and they're just trying to ruin it. They're jealous. Shame.
They don't want you to monetize it. They're
yeah.
Make more money then.
Yeah, they're gonna. I'm gonna get demonetized.
So we're going to the 54th floor.
Yeah, I think it's in stages.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
54 is not the top.
Go ahead.
54 is not the top.
Oh no, definitely not. Wow. Hi. Whoa, this thing is creepy.
It's like the same thing we did in here.
This thing is weird as heck, guys. This is weird, bro. You can barely see me. I have to get next to the exit sign so you can see my face. Get in their family photo. Yo, this is... Dude, this is weird. Dude, I'm like weirded out by how they like turn down the lights. All the music is like creepy. The hallways are
Building is
empty.
shaking.
What?
The building is shaking.
Dude, the building's like shaking left and right.
Funny face, thumbs up. Are you ready? 1, 2, and...
Okay, thank you. And then we go this way.
Okay, it's your vlogger boy Arthur here. Wow, finally some good lighting. You guys are set for our photos. Wow. These are like big screens.
On the same day. We build with wow in mind. Feast your eyes on the Capitol Records building that looks like a stack of vinyl records. Prepare to be dazzled by Frank Gehry's Walt Disney Concert Hall. And then there is the Hollywood sign. This is a home of big ideas.
The heck?
Where NASA scientists steer vehicles on Mars and SpaceX rockets fly off the drawing board. And to keep us buzzing.
Dude, I can't even get the whole screen.
Did you know Angelinos invented the oyster cocktail, the cheeseburger, and the...
Whoa. That's creepy trippy. Dude. Just make it look so empty, bro. Hey guys, I made it big. Watch this. Guys, yo, I have this foam in my... Yo, whoa, whoa. Yo, you can instantly hear the echo just demolished. Okay, here, record me, bro. I'm gonna become the next famous singer here. Flip it around. Is there the red thing there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's record.
Get in.
Oh, that's so weird. Okay. Oh, we got like the Walk of Fame. We got more George Lopez. This is pretty cool. Oh, bro, dunk on the haters. Chargers, a Dodge, Clippers, Sparks, Rams, Angels, Galaxy, Lakers, Kings. They got everything. I remember when they took Kings from Sacramento for a little bit. I think we're about to get to the whole like observing deck and then like everything. Seems pretty interesting. My arm's kind of hurting because they took away my tripod. Oh, that's the slide right there. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. It's gonna be crazy, this sky slide. This is gonna be crazy. Oh, this is crazy. Oh no! No, no, no! 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 Yo, that's creepy.
Whether it be NFL football, whether it be the Lakers, the Clippers, USC, it doesn't matter. Very, very best of your craft. Those for every kind of sport in Los Angeles.
Can you see the view? Okay guys, so I just went down the slide. That was crazy.
There's another.
Still see the view out here. Oh, there's another little deck out here. You still see the view. It's crazy. Oh my gosh, this thing's...
Oh my god.
Oh my gatos. Miss you, observation deck. Oh, and we're back inside. Okay guys, we got the mic and the thing Mac right next to the water. So let's hope I don't mess up sliding down this thing. Oh wait, you hold the camera. I don't trust it. I got stuck. The big water bottle. That was hecka fun. Seeing like the buildings from everything up. Dude, can you imagine? In like a few minutes, we went all the way from up there back down here.